seems that the diplomatic efforts are bearing fruit, except that the intransigence shown by India, of course, remains unabated.
As you very rightly said, the emergency meeting yesterday of the OIC contact group came out with a very robust and comprehensive communique that not only reaffirmed Pakistan's position on the Indian-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, but also it rejected the recent illegal actions taken by India, for instance, to change the demography of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It also called upon OIC member states to bring this point up in their bilateral interactions with India, to call upon India to halt the human rights violations, the extrajudicial killings, the use of excessive force, such as the UAPA and the PSA and other draconian laws that the security forces there have been empowered to carry out brutalities with impunity. So we view this communique as a comprehensive, strong communique. So yes, the diplomatic pressure, Pakistan, the Foreign Office, our missions abroad, have carried out a sustained diplomatic campaign at all the important international forums, such as the OIC, so that the voice of the Kashmiris is given, is echoed in all those forums. I also want to point out for your audience also that very recently we have established a permanent representative office to OIC in Jeddah at ambassador level. And our permanent representative, an experienced diplomat, is now there. And the liaison with OIC Secretariat is therefore far more closer now on site than it was in the years before.
Okay. One of the issues